All right, gang. Welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. I hope everybody had a great day today. Today was a very good day in the markets. We had FOMC meeting minutes today, this afternoon. Yeah, you know, I think that the markets are on the verge of a big move, and I mean that on gold and on indices. I think that we should be expecting a pretty decent move. So we're gonna get some breakouts coming very soon in the markets, and yeah. So let's dive right in and mark up our charts and do what we do. All right. So let me start off here with gold. Right, we have again our top here, and we have this is our current support level, but we do have this level right down here, which aligns. Let me actually, yeah, see this former resistance here. And the forms here. We broke out of it here, but fake out broke right back above. So this is our level here, right around 25.83, 85, around that range. This is off the daily time frame. So pretty simple range. We did kind of close above this level today on gold. So very interesting. It's possible gold might want to make a push to the upside here. Let me drop it down to the 4-hour here right quick. I want to kind of there's our level right here on 4-hour. So 4-hour is currently respecting this resistance level here. We do have a brand new 4-hour that opened actually. Well, it's actually about to close. We should get a new 4-hour. Let's see if this one's going to close bearish or is it going to reflip bullish. And we'll see, right? But we could expect a rejection to probably test these levels down here, possibly these levels down at 2600. It's possible, right? So this is our first target here. Support here. Resistance here. Broke out, came up, and then support here. So we could see a retest of this level here very soon. Let's see if this level holds. If we get a flip here and it breaks above, then we might see what will be our next target up here. Yeah, we got some targets here. We got 2690 and then the all-time highs, right? So yeah, very interesting where we be headed here. This would probably be my first target if we break above that level. It's about 2690. Let me see, is that correct? I want to mark that correctly. All right. Yeah, so right around that area. Yeah. All right. So off the 4-hour. All right, let's drop it down to the 1-hour, right? And again, we had this breakout here, but then pull right back down. We've been respecting this level here, here, and now here. So I'm waiting to see. We did get a breakout here and pull back down. So, this current 1-hour, yeah, we're rejecting from here. So I might look for some sell opportunities. I mean, we have some range. We have about 60 pips coming down to this level here. And if we come down here, it's about, 26.46. That's about another 260, 240 pips. And then the range fill, right? So very interesting price action here. So we'll wait and see. We'll wait and see what's going to happen soon. I'll be looking for some possible entries on gold. All right. In the meantime, let's go to the NASDAQ. Go to the daily right quick. I want to take a look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ has some interesting price action here as well. So, all right. So we have this trend line here. All right. Let me just stretch it out here. All right. So we have this downtrend on the daily time frame on the NASDAQ, right? So we're making these lower highs, and we broke this low. So I'm expecting this to make a lower low here. So I'm expecting a further push down. There is this level here that I'm, hoping we can break below on the NASDAQ. And you can see this trend line now with the horizontal support is kind of closing in on the NASDAQ. So I could expect a push down. So next target will probably be 20,400 right around here. Yeah, safe to say. Yeah, right around this previous resistance level, turn support. So yeah, we could expect a big move down here. We just got to close below that 21,015, 21,000 30 range or so. We got to break out below there. We should continue down to fill this range here. So that's what I'm expecting on the Nasdaq. That's off the daily. Jumping to the 4 hour now, right? You can see that channel that we looked at on the daily, but on the intraday time frames, I go for the immediate levels right here. So we have a very set level here, and we have this level here. So I think we're gonna come down here. We could come down about 20,900 here off the 4 hour. You can even push it down a little bit more. Yeah, right here. So yeah, about 20,882, and we get a break of that. Then yeah, we're coming down to that 20,300. We have a lot of key stops coming down. Look at that. So let's see. Let's see if we can break below this level first. But I think the Nasdaq is gonna start. It's gonna start driving down. So let's wait and see. Right now, take it to the 1 hour, and on the 1 hour we have some choppiness here. Been consolidating, but this is the level at the moment that I'm focusing on, and this level right here. So we go, with some quick short trades here, at least to get our entries, right? So this is where we're at, right? So we made this resistance level here, came up, wicked into it, pushed down, and we made this support level here. So now let's see if we break below. That's about 21,100. It was former resistance here. We have resistance here. We had support here. I mean, 21,100 is a pretty decent level. So let's see. I think we're going to start ripping down here. If we get a closure below, we'll be looking for some sells on the NASDAQ here tonight. So, hope you stay on and see we grab some opportunities here. Going back to gold. Let's see where gold is at. All right. This level's still holding strong right here. Right here. So let's wait and see how it reacts here. All right, gang. Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Wow, look at this. Yeah, I caught this buy on Bitcoin earlier, but I got out. I got out, I think, when this candle closed and pulled down. I got out before this candle ripped up further, but I got out up here, and yeah, I got in right thing on this pullback. So I caught something on Bitcoin here, this small little move here, but look at that, it corrected all the way back down. So let me delete all this. Let's kind of redo this right here. Let's see what it's looking to do. Let me actually go to the 4 hour first. Yeah, this looks better. All right, so Bitcoin, 91,000. Yeah, it might come. I mean, it came very close here. Wick that 92.5 kind of pushed up, but we might get this thing to come back down. What's the next level? Look at this level. This level is beautiful. Look at that. Former resistance here. Choppiness broke out. Tested once, twice, 3, 4, 5, and this was close enough. So about 6 times it's tested that level. So it's kind of just ranging here, right? And if we get a closure below 91, about 91.8, you get a break below there, this thing is gonna tank. This thing is, I mean, geez. What's the next stop down here? I mean, it could come down to 86.5, maybe. If it breaks that, there's really nothing stopping it till about 72,800. So yeah, Bitcoin is waiting to see what 91,800 is going to do. Is it going to hold or is it going to break? Right? But won't be looking at that much. I traded this on Sunday on live stream. Some of you were on the stream at that time, but I don't trade Sundays usually or trade cryptos. So it's the Nasdaq. Keeping a close eye on this one. Yeah, we're getting this rejection here, but there's still a lot of time left on this 4-hour candle. This thing could easily flip and push bullish, close above, and might want to come to these highs up here. Have to keep a close eye on this here. Hmm. I want to see the NASDAQ push now. I want to get a nice push. Take out these wick lows here. Drive all the way down to 20,880. That would be awesome. Everything is screaming bearish. I mean, if you look at the NASDAQ, it's bearish. There is a small gap up here. There's a very little gap right here. Then come up and grab that. So where's that gap fill? About 21,551. But yeah, I don't see this thing coming up anytime soon. I think we're respecting this level. We're chopping, 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 and then we're gonna make another drive down. Let's see. Yeah, I could be wrong, right? All right, gang. For now, we're waiting, right? Nothing to do just yet. Um, I want to see. Well, this candle in 8 minutes looks like it's gonna close below. We'll see. We'll see. I might be interested in some sell opportunities. After we pushed up. Once we came down, um, came up, and now I think it's gonna come down and make after making this lower high here. So I might continue to come down here. Yeah. All right. We're still waiting though. Not ready to take an entry just yet. All right, gang. So just hang tight, and I'll be right back. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna take a sell here. Let me see. 6-1. No. Let's see if it comes up to 6-1. There you go, 6-1. All right, took a sell here, gang. I'm gonna target the bottom of the range right here. Stops are gonna be above these wick highs right here, about 2665. Let's see. All right. 2650. All right, I'm gonna sell on gold here, gang. Took that sell off the 1 hour. Got the bearish closure. Next candle came up, gave us a top wick, and then took the wick entry. Now we should get the flip down. Once we take out the previous 1 hour lows, we should drive down here. Let's see. All right, it's looking good. Oh, my bad. There we go. All right, we're running about 11 pips profit. All right, gang, beautiful trade. See if we could take out the lows here. Almost. All right, we took out the previous lows here. Let's see if we're going to continue to push down here. Yeah. Yeah, we're running about 13 pips in profit, right? I'm going break even here, gang. Not taking any chances here. Not gonna take any chances, but I haven't closed any partials yet. But let's I'm gonna break even at 13 pips. Just playing the safe here. It's early, but we get the drive. We get the drive. Beautiful. Beautiful. Taking partials at 20 pips here. Here it is. Yep, 20 pips. All right, gang. I closed partials here. Um, oh, no, 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 pips. All right, still holding here. Holding a runner here. See if we're gonna continue to drive down here. Moving nicely though. Yeah, I closed 50% of my position at 21 pips. I'm still holding my other half here. Let's see if we can drive down. Beautiful. Yeah, it's running about 27 pips now. Sorry, 28 pips actually. 28 pips profit. Nice move. Awesome. Let's see if we continue to push down here. Sweet. Yeah, it's running about 28 pips now. It peaked at 30 pips. Let me see. Yeah, like half a pip, like 29.5 pips so far. But I think we should see some further push to the downside here. There you go, beautiful. Yeah, we're running 34 pips here. Beautiful. Beautiful. NASDAQ, I think NAS is pulling up. Yeah, it's still kind of ranging right here. Not much going on. We either need to close below here or at least a retest up here, if anything. We'll have to wait. Yeah, it's currently at 30, about 31 pips profit right now. It's a risk-free trade. I mean, I have this runner running here, but I already secured some profit, so I'm hoping for the thing to run down. I'll look to shave off some more partials if we run down 40 pips. All right, Go, come on, what you gonna do? Want to drive down or what? This candle had no bottom where it came, gave it a wick here. Will it continue to drive down? This level, once it made this drop here, when it came back up, it respected this resistance level here, and we formed this little bearish move here. Once this candle closed bearish here, after the rejection, what I waited for was a top wick here. Once we got the top wick, we took the wick entry here, and voila. I mean, made a nice push. I mean, it gave us, yeah, it gave us about 36 pips. About 36 pips was the peak on this trade. I mean, the candle's still moving here. I still have 50% of my position running here. I want to see if we can get a further drop. You know, if it re-breaks the current lows. I'll probably shave off some more partials around 40 pips, and just keep holding and see what happens. It's all house money now, gang. We already break even. We already secure some profits. Now let's see if we can get it to run. We got 37 minutes to this candle closure here. I don't expect it to flip bullish, to be honest with you, but I mean, anything can happen. But I expect this momentum to continue down, and I'll probably take out these lows here. And once we break these lows, we should come down and hit our target here. But anything can happen, right? Cool. Come down a little further, but then reflip. There we go. So you can continue to push down here. It's trying, but it's struggling to run down here. Well, we might get some more volume probably in the next half hour or so. All right. Now we're running about 30, 33, 34 pips now. I want to see if I can, probably going to close at 40 pips. I'm taking another partials here soon. Let's see if we get a little bit more of a dip here. Yeah, give me 3 more pips and I'm out. 3 pips and I'm out. All right, pulling up a little bit. We get that drive here. Yeah, that's why I want to take my other half here. I want to close 50% of my runner. I need that push. I want to close at 40. Almost there. Hey, Matthew, what's up, brother? Welcome to the stream, my man. Yeah, man, we out here hustling, man. We working. Trying to make a few bucks here on the aftermarkets. Excuse me. Oh, it pulled up on me here. Man, it gave me about 39 pips. All right, I'm still holding 50% of my runner here. I'm sorry, I'm still holding 50% of my full position. I already closed half, but I want to close a half of my runner here. So if I can get those 40 pips, I'll close a half, and yeah, I'll be pretty much 80% of my position will be closed at that point, and then I'll hold a small runner for TP. You got to secure those profits, gang. You know, take what the market gives you. At the very least, go break even. Excuse me. Jeez. Yeah, go break even at the least. You know, it'll be pretty stupid to be up about 39 pips on a trade and you know, let this thing flip on you and take you out or put you into negative profit, you know. So you don't want to do that. Gold pulled right back up. It's all good though. We could still get this pushed down later on. Maybe again, maybe around that 9 p.m. hour, we'll get a little more volume and push us down. But it's all good. Like I said, it's house money. We're risk free on this trade anyway. Yeah. It's pulling up here again. There's still a little bit of time left on this candle, but if we get a bullish flip here, then we'll probably get wicked out here. But it's still possible that this thing could still run down here. Let me get rid of this right here because I didn't take partials yet. But I was about to though. Came close by like a point. No big deal. Trying to push up. Let me take a look at NAS real quick. Yeah, it's starting to make this little move up here. Might come back up to these highs up here, or maybe even the resistance pull up here. But it's kind of ranged here, you know. Might want to come. You see this? Let me mark this up here real quick. Look at this. Where's this level at? Right here. You see? So we pretty much range. Look at all these candles. Wick, 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 wick. All these wicks to the downside too, and it's just been ranging here. So it formed this resistance here. But if you notice this little range here, look at this support right here, right there. So yeah, level. Look at this wick right here. Wicked above, all came back down, respected. So it might actually want to come up, tap into 21,000, about 35, 37, right up in here, and then maybe try to push down and continue down. I honestly believe that we're gonna get a push down to fill this range down here. So, you know, but I'm waiting. I wouldn't be opposed to jumping in on a sell. If this level gets respected here, I'll take another sell down here. It's a big range. I mean, it's about 137 points from the top of the range to the bottom here. You know, we break here and come up where this wick tapped into right into this level, about 280, 280. Yeah, we can get a nice sell on the way down. But we'll see. We'll see. I mean, this could just be a bit of a push up, and then it's going to flip, continue down. Worst case scenario, we'll wait for a closure below 21,100, and we'll look for sell positions here. But that's what I would do. All right. Go back to gold. Gold look like it wants to wick us out here. It's trying to flip bullish. 17 minutes left to this candle closure, gang. Let's see what happens. Are we gonna survive, or is it gonna push back up? Here we go. All right, starting to push back down. Let's see what happens in the next 15 minutes. at 9 p.m. We also get the new 4-hour candle open. Um, we are closing bearish, but a lot of times the new candle might want to come up, make a wick before flip. So hopefully that wick on the 4-hour, if we're gonna get one, won't wick us out here at the stop loss, and we should see a continuation to the downside. So we'll see. Will we survive? All right, we got a little under 10 minutes here, and it's flipping bullish here. It took me out here. Oh, yeah, it took me out, gang, here. All right, I'm out. All right, gang. Yeah, it's a nice try. Push down, gave us, what did it give us? It gave us about 39 pips. I took partials at 21. Runner got stopped out at BE. All right, not bad, not bad. Secured 21 pips on that trade, gang. Yeah, pretty good. This thing could still come down, but might wanna retest up here probably. But if we get a closure back above here, it's probably gonna continue to run up. You know, this thing might want to go up to what is it? Yeah, might want to come up to these highs up here. So yeah, we're out, gang. 21 pips is all we got from the market tonight. Good trade though, good trade. You know, we stayed patient, waited for our playbook setup, right? We got the bearish closure, waited for a top wick, we took a wick entry, and then we caught this nice move down before flipping took us out. All right, gang. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for me tonight. You know, we got in the trade pretty early in the stream, so pretty good, right? We take what the market gives us and we keep it moving. My platform members, we will be trading the New York session Well, tomorrow, actually, let me say this: the New York stock market is going to be closed tomorrow, due to for Jimmy Carter's funeral. The ex president of the United States passed away. His funeral is tomorrow, and the markets will be closed. I expect some movement, but it might not be much. So it's like a, you know, pretty much a closure in the markets tomorrow. Um, but yeah, NFP Friday, right? So we have Friday non-farm payroll. So I expect a lot of volatility in the market on Friday morning. Yeah, gang, but that's it. I appreciate all of you. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for tuning in. Before you walk out, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Help support the channel, man. Again, I appreciate you guys, and more likely than not, I'll see you all next week. All right. Have a good night. God bless. All right, gang. Peace out.